sure to check out her other videos so you can see more interesting recipes. Stay tuned.
Hello, my gorgeous peeps. Yes, it's me, Momma Cherri, coming at you live and direct on my birthday.
Happy birthday,
It's May 13th. Now, you ain't going to see this on my birthday.
No.
But you know what? I got a birthday week as far as I'm concerned. So whenever this video comes up, just say, happy birthday, Mama. And I'll appreciate that. I am going to make you a really quick and easy appetizer. Could be lunch, could be dinner, could just be sitting in front of the telly, having a munch. Belly pork. I love me some pork belly. So you can call it pork belly or belly pork or whatever you call it. Just call it. Oink, oink. Coming your way.
Wow, Mom.
So, get you some belly pork. Keep the fat. It's best with the fat.
I need you to be in one place.
Keep the fat. Keep the rind. Because that hopefully is going to go nice and crispy.
Okay.
So, firstly,
You've cut that, haven't you?
I've cut it. They come in strips about that long. Okay? And then I've diced them up into bite-sized portions.
Yeah, that's my kind of bite size.
Okay? So, here's what you do. First thing you do is you get yourself, even though it has the pork, I'm going to be cooking the fat. I'm going to add a little extra fat because I'm going to be cooking this in my air fryer. Okay? Not deep frying this. So, just a drizzle. And that's basically to help hold on to the seasonings that we're putting into it. Here, I have some mixed herbs, okay? This is basil and oregano, dried herbs. I'm going to take those, put those over it. Okay? I'm going to mix this up in a minute. To that, we're going to add some honey. Nice runny honey. Runny, runny, go and catch it. Catch the honey, runny. And some sweet chili sauce. Okay? Doesn't matter about the brand, just sweet chili sauce. Okay, and that already has some peppers and chilies and bits in it. Then we're going to add some mustard.
American mustard.
American mustard.
So not English mustard.
I know, I'm American, I ain't going English.
Fair enough.
You could go English if you want, but it'll be very strong. We don't want it too strong. So at this point, I'm going to put on my glove.
No love dust.
I ain't got there yet.
I suddenly got worried. I was like, Mum, what's going on?
You ain't even got to worry about that because the love dust is going in once I mix this stuff up.
Got it.
So now I want to get my fingers into here. Get my hands in.
They're all falling out.
Are they falling out? Oh no, look at that now. Oh, ready. I don't even know if this is going to make it to the catering job.
Yeah, we're doing the catering job. This is for snacks.
Yeah, this might be.
I'm not quite sure if they... Did you tell them you're making this for them?
No.
So...
It may not make it there. We'll see. We will see. So, I'm going to open this. My love dust. Okay, and so in my hand that was not in with the meat. Now I'm going to sprinkle my love dust through. Nice generous amount. And then we're going to take this, basically... Oh, yes.
I love the air fryer. I can't say enough good things about the air fryer. Honestly.
Look at that.
It's completely changed how I cook.
Yep. And so, keep that like that. Get all of that goodness in.
I'm making this, Mum. I'm making this at home.
This is so good, Katrina. You wait. You wait.
Can't wait.
And then, I'm going to take this. Stick it in the air fryer. Turn it on. I'm going to go here.
How hot?
I'm going to go, I think that one looks like bacon, 180.
Okay.
That's good. And start.
Okay, that says 15 minutes.
So that's in for 15 minutes. It's probably going to take a little bit longer, okay? After 15 minutes, I'm going to give it a good stir and then put it back on. So we will come back to you in a yummy-licious moment, okay? See you in a minute. But don't forget to like and don't forget to share. We need you. We need you. It's part of our world. See, I need hand surgery now. So I need you. Join Patreon. Dang, on that hurt. I know know I can be a little bit extra, but you know what? I'm a serious pensioner now. You know I'm a bit
She is
mad.
a proper pensioner, although Britain's...
I'm really mad because I done reached this ripe old age of, and I still ain't got my free bus pass.
Because they changed the rules for women.
They changed the rules.
Stupid government over
They
here.
have pushed it up.
Pushed it up.
So I damn near got to be with her on crutches before I get my bus pass.
Or your pension.
Or my pension. I gotta
so
wait.
Unfair. Dad's got his pension.
I know.
Phil's got his pension.
And I can't
Yet
get
another
mine.
example of the patriarchy
That's it.
ruining it up for us women.
But
Sorry.
yet I got to wait.
It's crazy.
And it's not even like I can get it next year. I got 2 years.
I know. You've got to wait till you're 67.
Shrina, you don't need to be putting it all out there. Actually, it's 66.
Oh, okay, sorry, Mum.
So guess how old I am. But I gotta
It
wait.
used to be what, 64?
60.
60?
It used to be 60. And then they moved it up. They crept it up to 64. And now they moved it up 2 more years.
But for women. For
Yeah.
women, though, not for men.
Yeah.
For women.
Yep. This is, which is just not on.
It's not.
Fair.
Anyway.
Anyway, we'll come back to we're gonna come back to you when this
That's
belly
our little
pork,
rant,
when this belly
over.
pork is ready. I'll come back to you. Hey guys, I want you to have a look. Come into the pot.
How long has this been in?
This has been cooking now for 10 minutes. Look at that. You can see it.
No. It's longer than 10. We switched it back on.
Yeah, but it messed. It went. It didn't do fully 15. This is about 10, maybe 15 minutes. Okay, so now I'm just giving it a stir. But you can see how it's starting to.
Oh my goodness!
crisp up. Now
they
let's
might not get this.
turn it back on.
Whoa!
Whoa! Ah! We'll come back to you.
Okay.
All right, people. Let's see what's going on here. I think. Oh yeah. Oh yes.
Oh, look
at here.
that.
Look at here. Look at here.
Oh my goodness.
Let's get this.
Oh my word. Do you know what I'm thinking?
What?
It's not quite enough for the catering job, but it's just enough for our lunch.
Girl, behave. And the good thing about these fryers is look at all that oil there. And that's just at the bottom.
Wow.
So, I know she'd have snuck one that quick.
No. Look, and I put it onto the tray. Back me up, people. I did not steal anything. Not this time.
Oh, they look good, don't they? All right, let's try one. Oh, go on, try one. Yeah.
It's going to be really hot. I'm going to wait a second.
Super hot.
Yeah, I'm going to wait.
I can taste the honey.
I'm going to pick one that I'm going to have.
Nice.
Take that one. And they're blackened because of the honey, isn't it? The honey makes it. Let me have a bit.
I know y'all.
Oh, wow. That's delicious.
Oh, it's so good.
It needs to rest a bit, though. It needs to rest a bit.
Done.
Yeah. That's a good one, Mum. You're right there, Mum.
Excuse me while I have a slight orgasm.
Mum!
Because this is good.
Sign off, please. I'm getting creeped out. It's
now,
really good.
These, what I'm going to serve these with, if they make it, is I'm going to put a pot of some sweet chili dip.
Yeah, it's not
I'm going to actually I'm going to spear each of these so they can just pick them up, dip them, stick them in their mouth. Be done.
I think I'll really enjoy that, Mum.
I bet you will. I bet you will. I'm getting all hot and bothered. I'm so excited.
Sign off.
So, a little bit of peace, whole lot of love, and some soul with my belly poke. My poke belly with mustard and honey.
That one looks a bit black. I think I'll take that one.
I'll take that one. That one's burnt.
Alright, say goodbye.
Bye.
I'm Eden's raising friends, and I'm Momma Cherri's grandson. If you have to click her channel, because if you don't click her channel, you won't be able to see all of her videos. Goodbye.
You.
On YouTube. Bye.